It's been recorded, okay? Probably they can get me a total of all this stuff.
How many souvenirs do you think this man could conceal inside a stolen duffel bag before being noticed? Christopher Holton selected $250 worth of keepsakes from the theme park gift shop at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Want to see more police content from theme parks, airports, and other cool attractions? Disney. Please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave your thoughts about Busch Gardens in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.
Okay, so what's all in the bag?
Jacket, I don't even
Anything?
know.
Let me ask you, is there anything in there with Busch Gardens on it?
Yeah, bro, we've been here all day.
You got charges? So are you able to show those charges?
Yeah.
What's that? Alright, so you're saying that you're able to prove that all these things that still have the tag on them, that they normally cut off, you pay for them. What's that? Yes, for the receipt. So I'm gonna stop you and make sure you understand that when you're talking to me, it's been recorded. Okay? So you told me that you had the charges on your phone that showed that. Now you're telling me it doesn't show cash. Well, let me ask you, how did you pay for it? This stuff. Let's not make it hard. Let's make it hard, brother.
On the way out the park to pay for it.
You do what?
On the way out the park to pay for it.
You were on your way out the park to pay for it. You know that's not how it works. You have to pay for it when you get it. All right? Yeah, it is. There's one actually in the security office. We're gonna take a cart, drive over there, and then. Sit in the second row. Nope. Yep, second row. Oh. We're gonna walk right over here this way. I'm gonna have you go in this door right here. It says security. Then I'll just have you have a seat.
Is their copy? All right, let's walk out this way.
Okay, you can leave me, sir.
right.
Left or right? Not yours.
Go ahead, make a left here. We're gonna go right out this back door.
Well, your friend's gonna go down there and try to bail you out. He had a phone number for you, but I don't know what happened to it.
All right.
All right. All right, if you would grab a seat, leave your feet out for me.
Absolutely.
And it's 19.
What's that?
19.